Let us be honest, many people in Nigeria will use one mattress until the mattress starts begging for retirement. We will turn it, cover it, manage it, and keep saying it is still okay. But is it really still okay? A mattress is not something you should replace only when it tears completely. Sometimes the mattress still looks manageable, but it is no longer giving your body the support and comfort you need. Today, let us talk about how to know when it is time to replace your mattress. 1. There is no one fixed answer. People often ask, after how many years should I change my mattress? The truth is, it depends. It depends on the mattress quality, how often it is used, your body weight, and how well you take care of it. A mattress in a guest room may last longer because it is not used every day. But the one you sleep on every night carries your body weight for hours, every single day. So instead of looking only at years, look at how the mattress feels and performs. 2. Check for sagging or depression. If the middle of your mattress has gone down, or one side has formed a body shape that refuses to come up, that is a warning sign. A mattress that sinks too much may no longer support your body properly. Many people ignore this because they have become used to it. But when a mattress has a permanent hollow, your body may be forced into a poor sleeping position. That can affect your back, waist, and general comfort. 3. Notice your body in the morning. How do you feel when you wake up? If you wake up with back pain, waist pain, neck pain, body stiffness regularly, your mattress may be part of the problem. This is especially clear when you sleep better somewhere else. If you travel, sleep in a hotel, or sleep in another room, and suddenly your body feels better, then your own mattress deserves serious inspection. 4. Check your sleep quality. Do you keep turning all night? Do you wake up tired even after sleeping for many hours? Sometimes the issue is not only stress. It may be that your mattress is no longer giving you proper rest. Good sleep is not just about closing your eyes. Your body should be able to relax. If your mattress keeps creating pressure points or discomfort, your sleep may be interrupted even when you do not fully wake up. 5. Look at the fabric and hygiene. Old mattresses can collect sweat, dust, smell, and stains over time. If the fabric is torn, smelling, or uncomfortable, it may affect both comfort and hygiene. If you have children, pets, or you often eat and drink on the bed, the mattress may age faster. A mattress protector can help, but if the mattress is already badly stained, smelling, or damaged, it may be time to change it. 6. Know when care is no longer enough. Rotating your mattress and using a protector can help it last longer, but care cannot bring back a mattress that has already lost support. At that point, replacement is the better decision. Do not wait until the mattress starts affecting your health, mood, or daily energy. Sleep is not luxury. It is part of how your body recovers. If your mattress is no longer supporting you properly, visit a Winco showroom or go to wincofoam.com to find a mattress that fits your comfort level, body weight, and budget. Subscribe for more practical sleep tips that help you make better choices for your home. Until next time, sleep well, live better.
Winco Foam, sleep well, live better.